Hey guys, so this is an analysis update on DXY guys. What are we looking at on DXY? We can see that DXY overall is on a downtrend, but this is the monthly time frame. As we can see, we have an impulse, correction, continuation. Then it comes to also react around this area. Then there's a possibility it might come down overall, right? Because as long as we did not break out of this previous high right here, then there is a possibility we're definitely still on a downtrend overall. But remember, this is a monthly time frame, so what we can see based on this current price action which we are working on, it's an uptrend. You can see impulse correction, breaking previous high, moving up, breaking previous high, right? So based on the current price action right here, we can say that we are an uptrend, but overall we're a downtrend, right? So we can say, so we are going to be working on the current market right here, right? So what are we looking at? We can see that we have a break of structure right here. We have this break of structure. We broke it. So base right now, we are seeing a downtrend, right? So we are seeing the impulsive move. Then we know after an impulsive move, there is a correction. This is a correction phase for us to continue to go up. That's my prediction right now overall on DXY guys. So let's see right here. This is our highest based on our current one, right? So let's go to my weekly time frame. So I'm gonna bring out my fib right here, right? So let's say point A to point B right here, right here. Because definitely I'm seeing a move to the downside. We can see right around this here right here that there is an imbalance right here that came to fill that path. Remember, this is the weekly time frame. That is why it's huge right here. Let's go to my daily time frame and see. Let me see, because I didn't touch that on the weekly time frame. So if you go to my daily time frame, this makes sense right here. This imbalance right here. We can see that we touched that we are pushing to the downside. So let's go back to my weekly time frame. My fib is not showing, so let's daily. Okay, my daily time frame. Still predicting a down move, definitely to this right here will be my target area. Around this area right here will be the imbalance right here. Overall, that's so definitely more towards a sell rather than a buy, right? Based on that, so we can see we have this break of structure here. This is also a break of structure right here. Let's see. from point A to point B. We're currently around, let's see, so mm, point A to point B right here. So there is a possibility that we have this reconstruction. So definitely we are on a down move on DXY, guys. Let's see what my 1 hour is giving me. There is this imbalance right here that I am interested in, and it's also a gap right here. So I think we might push up to my negative 61.8% fib level right here. Then we continue to tank because there's a gap here that needs to be filled around this area, this zone right here. So interested in that right there. So my prediction right now is we might come here, fill that gap, the imbalance, get a reaction around this area for us to continue to tank to the downside for our overall area right here. So right here, that be the TP area. Yep. So that's my thoughts right now on, because we'll be breaking structure. So I think we might, because this is too far, but just in case we break out of this zone right here, then this will be like our next point of interest. But I don't want to go too far. If that doesn't work, then we know the next um where to target, point of interest to target. So I'm just gonna put right here. Watch when it gets here, or watch, see a change of character for me to be convinced, then possibly write it to this level right here. So that is my thought on the XY, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.